While paper currencies are swept away by economic storms, one asset has held its ground for thousands of years. Gold doesn't rely on a government printing press. Its value is anchored in physical scarcity. When you look at the forex ticker XAUUSD, you are looking at a very specific mathematical relationship. It simply tells you exactly how many US dollars it takes to buy one single troy ounce of gold at this exact second. But trading it requires an iron stomach. Gold is highly reactive. A daily swing of $30 to $50 an ounce is completely standard in this market. That massive liquidity and intense volatility provide constant movement for traders. But you can only capture those moves if you respect how this specific market actually behaves. The standard rule of thumb is a simple inverse relationship. When the US dollar gains strength, it pushes down the price of gold, and vice versa. By early 2026, gold climbed even as the dollar and interest rates stayed high. This shows how inflation distorts the picture. What drives gold is real yield, interest minus inflation. When inflation eats a high rate, the true cost of holding gold shrinks. Add to that the physical demand. Central banks around the world have been coordinated in stacking massive reserves of gold. When sovereign nations buy in bulk, their volume can overpower the dollar's pull. That seesaw is a general guide. When the chart defies expectations, look for the deeper economic force driving the tape. Understanding global forces gives you a bias, but you still have to execute the trade on your screen. Unlike standard currency pairs where a lot is 100,000 units, gold contracts are measured in ounces. You have three main sizes to work with: micro, mini, and standard lots. This grid breaks down the exact math. A simple $1 move in the price of gold equals a $1 profit or loss on micro lot, which is 1 ounce. That scales up to $10 on a 10-ounce mini lot and a full $100 on a 100-ounce standard lot. To control those 100-ounce standard lots, brokers provide leverage. This allows you to hold a larger position using only a fraction of your own capital, known as margin. But leverage works symmetrically. It multiplies your gains, but it will also multiply your losses with the exact same speed. Calculating your exact exposure per pip is a mandatory step. If you click buy without knowing exactly what a $1 price swing will do to your account, you are flying blind. Once you know the math, you need to time your entry. Technical analysis lets you read historical price charts to see exactly where buyers and sellers fought for control in the past. This chart shows the basic boundaries. Support is a historical price floor where buying pressure steps in to stop a fall. Resistance is the ceiling, where sellers take over and halt a rally. By connecting a series of ascending lows, you create a trend line. This helps visualize the market's overarching momentum. None of these lines predict the future. They provide logical areas where you can calculate your risk and execute a structured plan. Anyone can open a trade. Long-term profitability relies entirely on your ability to survive drawdowns and protect your capital. That survival requires a stop-loss order on every single trade. In a market as volatile as gold, an automatic exit plan is mandatory. This shows the golden rule of risk management. Calculate your position size so a triggered stop-loss never burns more than 2% of your capital. Linking this threshold to your lot size manages leverage before you enter the position. Professional trading relies on managing the math of your exit rather than obsessing over perfect entries. But the strictest risk management is useless if your broker's infrastructure cannot keep up. Slow execution during a violent gold swing creates slippage, tearing right through your stop-loss targets. You need a highly regulated environment, overseen by authorities like MISA, as the baseline for trusting a platform with your capital. FXNX provides that infrastructure. It is built for XAUUSD, offering raw spreads, the advanced MT5 terminal, and the execution speeds required for volatile metals. Put these macro theories and risk management rules to the test immediately. Open a risk-free demo account on FXNX today and start trading the tape.